from the chapter Animal Kingdom in grade 11. Starting with what is a gymnosperm. So from the word itself, sperms mean seeds and gymno means naked. So naked seeds. All the naked seeds are classified under the concept of gymnosperms. So gymnosperms are seed producing plants where the seeds are not enclosed in a fruit. So normally you see seeds inside the fruit, but over here there is no fruit that covers the seed, and that's why we call it naked seeds. When I tell that, there might be some seeds that come to your mind, or if not, these are the seeds. Pine. Have you ever seen pine seeds? Those are naked seeds. Now, seeds that are exposed on the surface of the structure, and these pine or cycas all are called as cones. So cones is the common example for gymnosperms. Now, where are gymnosperms found? Gymnosperms are usually found in cold, dry or mountainous regions. Why? Because these are the places where they will be more eligible to live or more adaptable to live. Examples are evergreen trees, or the most common example are Christmas trees. All the Christmas trees are pine trees almost, and these are an example for gymnospermic plants. Now, how do gymnosperms reproduce? Gymnosperms reproduce using cones and not flowers. We know angiosperms have flowers, and flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant, whereas here it is cones. Now, there are two types of cones. Number one is the male cones. The male cones produce pollen grains, and the other type of cone is female cones, and the female cones contain ovules. So just like angiosperms, male cones produce pollen grains and female cones produce or contain ovules. Now, these male cones are much short-lived, or they are smaller. So they are short-lived as well as smaller compared to female cones. Whereas female cones, and this ovule develops into seeds after fertilization. And the pollination in this gymnosperm happens mainly due to wind. Now, what is the fertilization process? Fertilization process in simple words is when the pollen grains land on the female cones. So imagine this is how I am drawing the female cone. This is the female cone. So the first step that happens is when the pollen grains from the male cones comes and lands on the female cones. So they come and land on the female cones. Then what happens? From the pollen grain, pollen tubes arise downwards towards the ovules. Once they reach the ovules, fertilization occurs, and then seeds are formed inside the cones. And this is how reproduction in gymnosperms take place. If you ever get a cone, or if you ever take a small cone and if you shake it, you can hear a rattling sound. What moves inside? There are numerous amounts of seeds inside the cone. Now the cones will be turned upside down like this. They will be turned upside down, and when it is fully mature, or all the seeds are fully mature, they open up and release all the seeds, scattering them all around, and the wind takes them towards any other place, and another plant grows. This is how the reproduction in gymnosperms takes place. Now, the things that you need to remember from gymnosperms are that gymnosperms do not have flowers or fruits. Their seeds are exposed and are called naked, They are vascular plants and often used or common examples are pine and cycas. The most important question that will be coming from this topic is the difference between a gymnosperm and an angiosperm. So what are the differences? Gymnosperms are naked and angiosperms, or the seeds in angiosperms, are enclosed in fruits. Now the flowers are absent in gymnosperms but present in angiosperms. Fruits are absent in gymnosperms but are present in angiosperms, as well as the pollination. So flowers are absent but present in angiosperms. Fruits are absent in gymnosperms but are present in angiosperms. And pollination is mostly by wind, whereas in angiosperms it is wind and insects. This is a very important question coming from this topic, and make sure you are thorough with this. And this is all about the topic gymnosperms. And if this topic helped you to understand this gymnosperms, then please like and subscribe to this video and follow for more.